Hi, I'm Jan from VelomobileWorld.com and we shoot here a maintenance video, so have fun. Okay, so make sure that the sensor of the bike calculator, I'm sorry, sometimes I mix languages. On daytime I speak at home Dutch, I speak some English, some German, some Romania, and since I'm learning Hungarian, I'm fully mixing up languages on daytime. It happened that I speak German in the workshop and people look to me like, doesn't work out that language. But yeah, it happens. So make sure that the brake cable is in front here. And the bike calculator is here. Put in the front wheel and check if the distance between the magnet and the bike calculator is properly. And I see that it's not properly. Also, there's a tiny line there, and that one needs to be aligned with the middle of the magnet. And you see here, it's like now it's about 5-6 millimeter, and that's okay. It shouldn't touch, and it should be like 5-6 millimeters. This one I put back, put some blue Loctite on it, the 243. I don't have it right now here, so I do it now without. But put a little bit on, because by me there was still a tiny bit on it. So it's okay. Put in the rubber cap back in, so it protects the bearing. And here it's always a bit of, you need to pull it a bit like this. It always feels not so pretty to do. Then I forgot almost something. Before you put in the bolts on it. Okay. So as you can see, there's a little hole there. I stick in a tie rib, and then we have to go with the camera on the other side to show what we are doing with it. You see it? Okay. So here you see that I stick out the tie rib through the wheel well. Make sure you see these ribbles or something, I don't know how it's called. Make sure they are around it and push it back. So now I pulled it completely, so the brake cable is connected to inside like this, and with the cutter I cut this off, so I don't have any sharp edges anymore. Because if you would come with your trousers here and there's a sharp edge, that's unpleasant. Or where you have no trousers and you come with your bare legs, touching it's even more unpleasant. So first put on all some washers, a small washer. Put on the these bar ends. Then again, on all three, a small washer. Then a big washer and a nut. Tied it. Then you check if the cable for the bike calculator is good. And I can see that they're not strangled. Before I put everything back, I just give the wheel a turn to check if it works. It works really nice. Now I pull out the cable and I put back the top screws. So with my left leg I push up the suspension, putting a washer again with the rounded edge towards the rubber. Then the thicker nut. So you tied it only until it pushed a little bit the washer in, not much. You put the second nut on. This two you will tight as a contra. Don't over tight this one, because this material of this screw is a little bit softer as the material from the nuts. So if you would over tight it, you will damage the fillet of the thread on the screw, and it's very hard to take this off. So take care of not over tight it. That's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed the videos about the maintenance. If you have still some ideas, please let them in the comments. But before you put comments, have a look to the other videos. Maybe we uploaded your question already. Don't forget to subscribe and have fun. See you next time.